Yo, what's good, y'all? Don't mind my fucking voice. It's fucking fucked up right now since I'm sick. But if y'all wanna go follow my fucking Instagram or my Twitch, when I get a new PC, I'm gonna be streaming. But right now, I'm not streaming since my shitty ass fucking laptop don't fucking let me. But hell yeah. Yo, what's up, YouTube? So, I'm currently sick as fuck. I feel like fucking shit right now. But that's why I haven't been posting. Right now, I've been thinking of ideas while I've been sick. So by the time I get better, I already have a video ready to make, ready to post. And hell yeah, ready to give y'all content and shit. But this is just a little update on why I haven't been posting these past 2 days, I think. And pues yeah, I've just been thinking and thinking of video ideas. I already got some, but that shit requires me to travel a little across the city. But I'm just making this little video to update y'all. So don't think I'm fucking lacking or anything. I'ma keep this shit consistent for real. So hell yeah. But yeah, I fucking feel like shit. My mind's been all over the fucking place ever since I fucking quit smoking. This derealization is bad as fuck. I haven't felt real these past few days. That's why I got some coronas. I'm switching my fucking smoking to drinking full time. But nah, hell yeah, I'm just making this little video to those, yeah. I don't know what the fuck else to say, but I'll see y'all when I'm better, ready to make my third video. Nah, this next video is gonna be a banger for real. So stay tuned for that shit. And hell yeah. And also, the future gym content is finally coming. So stay tuned for that shit. Going to the gym every fucking day. Grinding, putting in hard work. Hell yeah, we finna be jacked as fuck for real. And y'all finna be part of my journey. So just stay tuned for that shit. And hell yeah, stay safe, y'all. Don't get fucking sick. It fucking sucks. Sucks ass. But I'll let y'all know when I'm better and making my video. So y'all could be ready for this fucking banger. So hell yeah. Stay safe, y'all. Trusha.